Metro Porto. Going to Copa. We're looking for a bookstore. Are you sure it's this way?
Until you grab me.
To. Found the bookstore, the famous bookstore. Oh my God, it's a long line. Ay, nako. It's been 30 minutes. We are here falling in line. That square there is so nice. Beautiful. Oh my God, ice cream. Oh, look at that. Amazing. A beautiful square. Old square. This is the University of Porto. Universidad do Porto. It's the square. Look at that. Look at that. How many people around. We're searching for a Porto wine tasting this side. Huh?
You can go in the space down.
Oh, sure ka? You see? But why you don't like to drink here? We already have. So that you don't have to cross. Wow. It's 5:30 and the sun is out. I have to video this.
I just wanted to be kind first.
Beautiful Porto City. Very colorful buildings, colorful houses. This is a Mercado or market. To find somewhere to eat. It's 1 o'clock. We need to eat lunch. We go inside the Mercado. Porto wine tastes €5. And then you get drunk. Let me see what they have here. Oh, yeah, is this one? I think the one that I saw that you can eat. Oh, so you can eat also here. Pwedeng, I go this way and they'll turn. Table testing. €5. And this is beer. Chorizo. Look how much is there.
Pescado no ha terminado. Cara dorada no ha terminado. Estoy esperando que lleguen a las 6. Se va a demorar mucho, ¿no? Pero tal vez las entregan a las 6 o a las 10.
Rice with calamari, seafood. Camarao is shrimp. This one is mixed mussel and oil. Tanawar ka din. Tapas. Cocktails. 1, 6. Dua. So, share. Gonna eat tripas amoda dukun with rice. He's cooking my tripas. Tripas amoda dukun. Wow. Tripas. That's mine. Thank you.
Olá, boa tarde.
My husband ordered piadina. €6.50. Over there are wine tasting bar. Porto wine. This is the famous library. It's an old library. Look at the books. Very old. Nice here. How much is their wine tasting here? The other side is €5. Dilang ke dilang. It's in your phone. Aperitif. It costs €5, 5 glasses. Taste. Oh yeah, I wash my hand there. I have to start to drink with the wine from white to dark. Look at the cable car. We took that yesterday. Now we just had our wine tasting again. Porto wine. It's 5 shots, different Porto wine for €5. Look at that there. There are many people. Imagine it's 7 o'clock in the evening, but the sun is still up. How I wish it's up early this morning or afternoon. It was raining the whole day, and now it's out. The sun is out. It's really different, the view with the sun. Look at that. Goodbye, Porto. This is our last night here. Last day in Porto. Porto City, Portugal. Guys, I am ending my tour here in Portugal. It's the last day in Portugal, so we stay a bit late here in the city center. And please subscribe, like, or comment. Thank you for watching. Bye. Ciao, ciao. We're taking the metro.
Vou procurar para descobrir. Não, vamos. Filha, sabe, vai ter comigo, vai fazer uma dinheiro, não vai fazer uma segunda.